In honor of Veterans Day, we're joined by NFL Super Bowl wide receiver Phil McConkey and Chance Mims. She's the CEO of Acaemy Securities. Together, they're working to train and hire returning military vets in areas like investment banking and trading. Gentlemen, it's good to have you on the show. Thanks so much for coming on today.
Our pleasure. Thanks for having
us. First and foremost, we obviously salute your service and we commend what you guys are doing. Chance, tell us about it.
Yeah, Acaemy Securities is a FINRA-registered broker-dealer that's owned and operated by military veterans, specifically post-9/11 veterans is the majority of our ownership and operation in the company. We founded Acaemy Securities with a simple mission. It's really to bring industry veterans alongside military veterans to create a first-class financial services firm. We offer investment banking services. We offer public finance underwriting, trading services. We have offices in New York, Chicago, and San Diego.
Yeah, both of you guys served in the Navy. It's important to point that out. Phil, it's good to see you as well. Wish your Giants looked better yesterday.
No, you don't.
But,
don't be a funny man.
But that's neither here nor there.
They operate better under pressure when their backs are against the wall.
The biggest challenge facing veterans coming home from the battlefield is what?
I think utilizing and understanding how to translate the skills that they learned in the military to civilian life, to corporate America. And if you think about it, what they do really fits in well with what we do in competitive environments, financial services, construction services, financial news. We're all in highly competitive environments. To bring in a military veteran who has the structure, the discipline, the teamwork, the leadership skills that they learned in the military, bring them over to the corporate side, the private sector side, getting them to understand how well they could fit in and getting corporations to understand how to utilize best those skills to enhance their own company. I think we all win under that scenario.
Phil, give us your view on the markets, all right? It's something we obviously here talk about every day. We're watching the fiscal cliff looming out there. How do you feel?
Well, I think, and when we talk about veterans, we're that close to Veterans Day, and when we talk about the market, Acaemy looks at what these returning veterans have done for us in our history. You look at the World War II veterans who saved us from tyranny. They came back and offered us and provided us great financial prosperity. We believe that these returning veterans can do the same thing. We need to look to them not only in the short term for the markets right now, but our future going forward. Hey, listen, most of these people joined the military. They volunteered after we were attacked on September 11th, after wars started. That tells you all you need to know about them. And you've got to, I'm telling you that they coming back can enhance any operation. And you guys are all traders back there. You telling me that's not a great trade to bring in some of these people into your organization?
Yeah, no, I would think so. I mean, Chance, you would figure that some of the skills that the military men and women learn out in the arena, so to speak, translate fairly well in the financial services industry. Certainly discipline does.
Yeah, no, absolutely right. Leadership, a lot of these men and women have been in stressful environments, having leadership positions that translate very well into the financial services arena. Discipline, like you mentioned, that is extremely important. On the daily basis, discipline is so important. Attention to detail. You have men and women that have been in positions that if they didn't pay attention to things, people died. Now in the financial services industry, taking those skill sets, bringing them over to the private sector is enormous.
Hey, Phil, well, you guys are doing a great thing, and if we can help, let us know. But let me ask you this. Can you suit up with Nat McCallum and Roger Staubach and maybe beat Army? Because what has it been, about 90 years since you guys have beaten them?
It's been a while, but watch out for Army. They laid one on Air Force. We've got to be cognizant of that fact. I'll tell you what, though, I was with Roger the other day, and you talk about competitors. Roger's up there, but I'll tell you what, that guy, I think he thinks he can go out right now and play. In fact, with the rules the way they are right now, you can't maul these receivers anymore. At 55, I think I can go out and get open in the NFL today.
Yeah, Staubach's become one hell of a businessman, too, as you know, and certainly we at CNBC know as well. Guys, it's great to have you on the show today. As again, we salute you, all the men and women in the military on this Veterans Day.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
All right, we'll talk to you again soon, I hope. To learn more about Acaemy Securities' efforts in hiring military veterans, please go to www.academysecurities.com. And next up on the half, the JCPenney slump continues, and today it's the biggest loser on the S&P. But is the stock nearing a point